Assalamualaikum students, hope you all are in the pink of health. Today I am going to deliver the English lecture of class K0. In this lecture we are taking start from the book. The book name is Oxford Modern English. First of all, we are going to revise the concept of vowel sounds. So let me remind you the vowel first. There are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. We will take start with the question. Read and ask, what is this? Okay, as we all know about consonant and vowel sounds, let us apply A or N with the given pictures. And the first picture is apple. It is an apple. I am using an with the apple because apple start with the vowel sound. Or apple start with the vowel sound. That's why I am applying here an. It is a bell. I am using a with the bell because bell start with the consonant sound. Okay, next is it is a cow. It is a door. It is an egg. I am again using an with the egg because egg start with the vowel sound. It is a frog. It is a gate. It is a hut. It is an ice cream. It is a jeep. It is a kite. It is a log. It is a mango. It is a nail. It is an orange. You can see I am using an with the letters which start with the vowel sound. I am using an, and the letters which starts with the consonant sound I am using A. I am using A. It is a pot. Okay. Let's have a look on today's vocabulary which is mentioned at the bottom of this page. Let's start with me. Orange. We will use an with the orange. Log. Ice cream. A log, an ice cream. A pot. A bell. A frog. A cow, a mango, a kite, a hut, a jeep, a nail, a door, a gate, an egg, an apple. Okay class, try to learn all the spellings which are given on this page. Now I am going to write on the copy. Page number 13. On page number 13, question is make words. Today our letter is A. Write like this. A. Your pencil should be very sharp. Small a like this. In 2 lines you have to write A, ant, A, N, T, ant, apple, A, double P, L, E. You should write like this, and your work should be very neat and clean. On page number 13, complete this page with the help of your mother. Do practice again on the other page on page number 14. Hope you understand my lecture. See you all in the next lecture. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.